Flexi.
Say Kelsey's not here.
Kelsey's not here. Wait for me! I'm here. Okay. Let's go. Ooh. And today we're going to be doing a 20-second slime challenge. So, all we will have is all this stuff. Shaving cream, Gain laundry soap. Hand soap. Conditioner. Not liquid starch. Contact solution. Cornstarch. Liquid starch. And these for decoration and food coloring. Alright. And you guys can comment down below whose is better.
Ready, set. We're only making
Not
one,
yet.
guys.
Let's both get her.
You can hold it like this, but you can't flip it upside down yet.
On your marks.
Get set, go.
They can't
1,
see you.
2, 3, 4,
They can't see
5,
you.
6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21.
Hands up. 20.
Oh, crap. Okay, we don't get to mix till the end now. We don't mix.
Holy guacamole.
Okay, ready, set, mix. Yes, I made slime.
I hardly made any because I couldn't get my glue to come out.
1 second, you guys. Okay, you guys, we're going to give Kelsey 10 more seconds because her glue didn't come out. So when she's ready, I'm going to start counting.
Hold on.
1 second. While she's doing that, I'm going to mix mine. Slime.
Count me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Mix.
Oh, moly.
Did you pour a lot of those things in?
Hardly.
Here's mine.
Okay, guys, here's mine. Fluffy sequin slime. If I can even pick any up.
And I have blue sequin slime with flowers and signs that say love and all that cool stuff.
See if you can see. I have some glitter.
Comment down
in it.
below a slime you would like us to make.
Please. And we already have made edible slime, so go watch that video. It is awesome. And we show you that it's non-toxic by eating it. Comment down below if you want us to make color-changing slime.